In this video, I'm going to show you how you can, and one of the ways in which you can handle missing data in Python. We're going to see how we can use the fill now to handle missing data in Python. First and foremost, let me import my dataset in Python. Importing the dataset in Python, I already have this code to import the dataset in Python because the dataset is a CSV file. The other method in which we can also use in only analytic data is using the now format, but I created that in another video. So now let me just copy the latest. So now we use that code to import our dataset into Python. The moment I run this code, that will import that into Python. Now you can see this is a dataset imported into Python. Now you can see I have some missing values here. I have some NA, and numbers. Now I want to fill this column. One of the ways to fill this column is let me say new data frame. One of the ways to fill is to use the fill. Now. The moment I can use the fill now. To post the data frame dash, so that will give me the new data frame. So let me run this line of code. Now when I run this line of code, you can see, let's try to compare both. Okay, you can see where I have the NA, I still have an NA, and where I have this null value, I have the 0 value. Where I have N, I still have NA, where I have N, I still have both NA. That is using the fill now. Using the fill now to fill your data frame. Or another way, alternatively, we can use is using the we can say method forward fill. Okay, we can also use this method. Okay, now we look at the forward fill. Let's see. Now for the forward fill, I have the NA value. Here I have na. Okay, I'm sorry. When we go to our original, I have the na here and na here. Okay. This is when we imported the data into our. I have the NA now. I have NA here. Okay, let's see what is being done there. Let's see what is being done there. Now you can see Python repeated this particular data frame, and Python repeated this particular dataset when I use the na value for the forward fill. Python repeated that particular dataset. Now let's try to grab this row and let me import a new dataset into our. Let's see. Import Pandas pd dot read underscore CSV file. Okay, the file I want to bring in is the population value interpolation.csv. Let's see this file. Okay, now let's look at this. Okay, fine. Let's look at that the name is interpolation. Okay? Now we see that. Now let's run this. Now you can see running this now. These are the empty fields. Now we say we can use the fill now to work with this now. So we want to use the forward fill. Now, so when we have this here, that corner, and we want to use the okay, just a new data frame equals to now that's the new data frame equals to the data frame dot fill now, and that we are going to use the method. This is the method forward fill. Okay. Now, this is what we're going to say the method equals to forward fill. Okay, then we run this line of code. Now you can see where we have the now value, that when we have like 1002 and we have now to 15 we have 1005. Then you can see that it's fill it up of 1002, 1002, 1002, 1002, up 1005. Then fill the 1005 with this. So this is how the forward fill works in Python. Fill it up of forward fill. So this is one of the ways in which you can fill your data set in Python. You're missing data set in Python. Also, this fill now here, like I did here, that I make use of this fill now. Okay, I make it a fill now here. I can also decide to here as I make it a fill now here. Recall when we did this way, we got something like this. Using the fill now. Now, this is really nice here. This was what we had before. Okay, now I can also decide filling specific value where I have any for the first line. I can decide to fill in specific value into all those columns. Okay, I can decide to pass a dictionary. Decide to pass a dictionary there, and I fill in specific values in each of those columns. For instance, I can say where the first name, okay, first underscore name, the first underscore name. Okay, when I have the first underscore name, I could say that should be, let's say, John. Okay, then I could likewise say where you have the salary. Like I said, you have the salary and you have this. Let that be 0. Here the salary. We are not available let that be 0. And also likewise do that for let's see. Let's see for commission. Okay, and let's say that we do that class for commission where there is no commission and let's say there be no commission. So let's just make that to be no commission. So let's try running this line of code. If we've done everything properly, we should be getting something. Okay, now you can see first name John. Okay, this should be this. This is giving us something different. This is giving us something different, but it's not giving us what I actually wanted to do. This should pass in a new value, specific value to each of the column, and that's what it should do. Passing in a specific value for each of the column, but not actually running that. Okay, but still repeating the same thing. Okay, I guess that will be the type of database. This is one of the way of this is one of the way of filling within data in Python using the forward fill.